Thought I'd be walking out with an Evo Cup winner. Now I've walked out with a shed.
You came in with a shed.
I chose this life, mate. It's my own fault. Today, this is the real world. This is what happens. And it's so much more content for you guys as well. Yeah, lads. Good morning, gang. Good morning, gang. If you're thinking, who the hell is that with that haircut? Yes, it is me. It is still Lee Lockwood. I went to the barber's and I don't think he really got the meaning of this much off the top. I think, I don't know, he must have misseen this much and thought that much, so he ended up making me fucking bald. So now I had to go back to when I thought I was Gaz and Geordie Shore in 2015 with the side up swipe thing instead of the comb over. That's fine. Some people like the spiky thing. Some people are going to be in the comments, you look like a fucking 9-year-old. I know, but we're here for the cars. We're not here to take the piss out of me. Actually, most people are probably here to take the piss out of me. So, good afternoon, everybody who's here just to take the piss out of me. But today's going to be about the cars. Now, we're going down to Tegawa. We're going down to Tegawa. Now this car has never had a full geometry. It's never had a full geo setup at all. I was going to do it, but obviously then I got the coilovers. And then when I got the coilovers, I wanted to make sure I wanted to do wheels, which I thought would have made a difference. Apparently wheels don't make any difference, so jokes on me. But yes, then I got new wheels, the wheels I'm running now. And I thought, all right, we can get a geometry. So I went to get a geometry, kind of thought about it. And then I thought, damn, I'm not going to keep these coilovers long because they're crap. I'm going to wait for some new coilovers and then I'm going to get a full geometry. So, obviously a couple of videos ago, you've seen that we installed the new coilovers. So, we are getting them to do a full geo setup on the Evo. Now, apparently, one of the guys there who's doing it for me is like worked in British touring cars. Apparently, I might be wrong, I'm not quite sure. But I'm just trying to relate facts which I think I've heard. Now, I am meant to be getting a mod on the Evo, and this was supposed to be before this setup, and it would help, but now I can't do it before this setup. I'm booked in with Tegawa, and the other thing has been pushed back. So, I'm gonna have to get this set up, and hopefully, the mod that we do, hopefully tomorrow, will not affect this geo, but I'm just gonna have to just wing it and find out. I've been told it won't, so hopefully it won't. But it's been an absolute beautiful weekend, so I hope everyone's enjoyed the sun. I've got a little bit of a tan. Oh, by the way, I don't think I've ever dressed in a YouTube video. The reason I always look so red is because I use a filter on my camera which brings out colour. It's called Vivid Colour. So that's the reason why I always look so red, is because of the filter on the camera that I use. It enhances all the colours, it makes everything brighter and prettier to watch. Hence it makes me look a bit redder, but I'm sure you can put up with that to enjoy the aesthetically pleasing views of the picture. There we are. I need to put my sugars in my coffee first of all. That's first thing first, other than I'm a realist. So here is the famous NSX. I've never even looked at an NSX, like obviously in person, but fuck, look at the wheel. If you do watch Jesse's videos, you would have seen here from Jesse's videos. So I think Jesse was here a few days ago actually getting a similar sort of thing. So, you're copying Jesse. If we both order an Indian and he has a shit after, and then I have a shit after him, does it make it look like I'm copying him because I had a shit after him? Even though everyone knows after you buy an Indian, you need a shit. So this is like, you know, when you put coilovers on, you need to get him geoed. Now I'm gonna ask, it's Dave, the guy who's gonna be doing it. I've just met him now, he's just ran off somewhere. I'm gonna ask him if he thinks we should raise, maybe not the fronts aren't too bad, but I think the rears probably most definitely will have to be raised. But I'm gonna ask Dave, see what he says. But I don't know, I think Dave's a pretty knowledgeable guy, so I'm gonna take this opportunity and ask him as many questions as I can. It's always best when you got people like this, just ask as many questions as you can, just taking all information, because it's invaluable. I've said to the cameraman that I'm going to ask you as many questions as possible, because when I get situations with people like you, I always like to take as much knowledge from them as possible. So if I start pissing you off, let me know. And I brought my Halford toolbox just in case you need any tools.
Yeah, I mean, I'll check all the radites, and then, like I say, if you have to put another 0.2, 0.3 of a degree of camber on it. No problem. See where it's at now, really, mate, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, look at her. Enjoy. Goodbye, my lover. Casting couch here. That is a banging picture. Oh, he's back. have been rolling around the back of the car for 3 weeks, so yeah. This is the nerve-wracking bit. What would be a good case and what would be a bad case of it doing that?
Something loose would be good case.
Yeah.
Bad case would be a more joint.
What is it?
A bush.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah.
And that's quite worrying there. Quite a lot of rust there. You can have a big hole there, mate.
I will.
Yeah.
No, fucking hell. Right, that side's fine. This side is not.
This side needs addressing.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, that, with it being a subframe pickup point or a diff mount pickup point,
Yeah.
I'd be getting that done sooner rather than later.
Right, okay.
Now, this is a bit of an issue.
Right.
In that I can set the car up obviously and align the car today, but because you have play there,
Yeah.
when you change that arm,
It's
you're
gonna
have to align
fuck up,
it
yeah.
again. So it's up to you what you do. I mean, for me, I would personally remedy that before,
And then,
before you set it up.
Okay.
Just because it saves you some labour in the long run. To address that rust there, you need to pull the whole rear end off the car to be able to do it properly.
Shit
Because
to know.
obviously It's the subframe mounting points in. So to be able to get any sort of strength back in there, you need to cut a large section of this out and replate it. Which obviously then means again you have to line it again.
Yeah. Well, yeah, there's no point aligning it then, is there?
Because there's other bits that you need to sort out first. I don't want to say, yeah, I'm going to line it and then do it again and again and again. Let me have a good look around it again.
Okay, man, cheers. Was it trap rod?
Yeah, trap rod on that side.
Right. This is the death sheet, is it?
Yeah, this is it. The job card of bits that you have to need to address before we align it.
I can already see the comments, mate. Rust bucket, rust bucket.
The thing is, mate, it's really not that bad. It's just there is an area that needs.
Yeah.
They are quite prone to it.
I've seen worse.
Yeah, no. So it's always good to check it over first.
Oh god, yeah.
And that's the bush is torn there as well.
Right, great.
So again, that wants addressing as well. This side's done it as well, if you look there.
Oh shit, yeah.
But when you've done all this,
Yeah, like a new car.
drive amazing.
Sometimes I got a lot of floatiness on the motorway.
Yeah, none of this is helping, mate.
Yeah, no. It has helped change a lot. Well, got better since I put these coils. And I thought it was just because the old struts would burst as well.
Yeah.
So
if you've got a worn damper or a spring brake that's quite soft for the car, it'll feel like that, especially on a tyre like this as well.
yeah,
But because of the play and the toe links front and rear as well,
yeah,
you'll get quite a bit of toe change as well, so it'll feel like the car's like
yeah.
following bits of the road as well.
Yeah, definitely. Did feel like that. God, nothing escapes your eyes, does it?
It's got to be right, mate.
Yeah.
That rubber bush is completely torn.
Oh god, yeah.
If you look up there, it's the centre of the bush isn't really attached to the outer anymore. So that one's doing as well, mate. when it's luckily a lot of stuff all in one area.
Yeah.
So once you get all this down, do those bushes, that arm, the diff leak, sort the welding out, and then check an end at the front, and the arm bushes at the front. Then actually it's there.
Yeah, absolutely nothing, mate. I'll have that done in a couple hours.
It's really not that bad.
It's not, okay.
I mean, it sounds like a lot when you start listing
Yeah, definitely.
Loads of faults, but like I said, because they're all in one area, it won't be that bad.
I thought I'd be walking out with a with an Evo Cup winner. Now I've walked out with a shed.
You came in with a shed.
But don't be alarmed, did you say? Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I get rid of them wheel arches? Because since I've got the wide arches on, they just don't match up with them wings.
Yeah, you could do.
Is it going to do any?
I always say you're better off keeping an arch line.
Yeah.
Because
stops shit.
Filling the bloody door shuts.
Yeah.
Of the water and road shite, which then makes the hinges crack and the check stops cracking.
Right.
You open the door.
Right.
Just for the sake of pulling an arch line out, I think what we're better off doing is just making it fit nicely.
Yeah.
Rather than removing it.
I keep trimming bits and it keeps coming off, and then the wheel keeps grabbing some fucking flying bits all over.
Yeah.
It's just absolutely shredded them.
Well, I'll whip the wheels off now you're in.
Okay.
Make them fit a little bit nicer. There's one thing that we can do.
Yeah, we've got a silver lining. The car's fucked, but hey, wheel arches fit. Using all this knowledge and it's going to waste, putting a fucking wheel arch on. So what we're going to do is we've got the car booked in here for the 16th of September, so in a few weeks we're going to get all that done. So Dave's kindly agreed to do it. But obviously I don't want to miss out on any of that. I want to be as part of it as much as I can, because it's quite a, to be fair, it probably would have been I've never done anything like this to a car, put it that way, because all the diff's going to come off the back. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come down, so Dave's going to text in the morning when he's going to be doing it. I'm going to come down, film it, and try and get as much of my hands dirty as possible without fucking things up. But I think that'd be a really good thing for me to learn about the car as well, and for you guys to watch. Like, I've never done anything like this on my channel before. Taking all the diff and the rear subframe out, re-welding and all that sort of stuff. So Dave's going to be doing that in a few weeks. We're going to come down, we're going to make like a series out of it. I'm going to try and come down as much as I can. He's got the car for a week, so I reckon I'll be probably coming down about 3 things. So obviously us at Motion Motorsport, we're going to be doing a little series on basically fixing all the craps up the Evo, all the bushes, the diff leak, obviously all the welding on the rear sub, which is corroded, which is going to be good. I can't wait for that. It's going to cost a little bit of money, but it needs to be done regardless. So yeah, we're going to have it done in a few weeks, which is good. He's giving me a price. It's not actually, you know, for the work he's doing, it's absolutely amazing, and we're going to get it all realigned then as well, because there's no point getting it done now. So we've sorted out the wings. The wings were rubbing like mad. We've sorted them out. They're not hitting anymore. We've sorted the wheel arch liners. They're redone. The side skirts redone on the wing. So we've done a little bit today, which is awesome. All these little nibbler bits to stop it rubbing and all that shit. But it's going to be a load of good few videos when we're doing all that. As I said, because I've never done anything like that before. So huge shout out to Motion Motorsport, who will work alongside Tegwa now, doing all the fitting and the race car building and stuff. So should be fun. A lot of money, but it's going to be fun. Right, I'll let you get back to work, mate. Thank you so much.
Sorry about that.
That's alright. It's all fun and games, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
I chose this life, mate. It's my own fault. So yeah, guys, I know I'm probably going to get a lot of comments like, oh, the car's fucked, there's a rust buggy in the shed. Yeah, probably I'm going to get there, but I'm going to take my pride, because at the end of the day, this is the real world. This is what happens. It's, you know, it's an old car. You were saying that most of them bushes have never been changed, so it's about time. And I'd rather be open with you. I'm not the sort of guy to hide anything from you guys, because you guys can see through bullshit. Everyone can see through bullshit. And this is the real world. The Evo, she needs a lot of work. I didn't think she did, but she did. Dave was saying, although it seems bad, he said it's not bad. He says, you know, it's nothing to be concerned about. It's gonna get fixed and we're all cool. But I'm not gonna lie, I was when he first said that structural, all this needs to come off, I was like, oh no, this is gonna be a fucking thousands. But no, he's Motion Motorsport. He said they'll sort it for me and they'll do everything, and you know, but I really want to be there, so I've said, just if you're going to be working it for a full day, let me know. I'll come straight down, and I'm going to be the little bitch in the office and just do all the shit jobs and just try and learn everything I can. We're going to drive home now. It's actually only about 12 o'clock, so I might go and have a nice little day, you know. I might go and have a nice little trip to the beach, something. Might go and see Jesse. We've not seen Jesse in a long time. I know there's a lot of stuff going on between us at the minute. We did have a bit of an arguing, we did lose contact for a little bit, but no, we're all good, we're all fine. So I might actually go and see him, see if he's not doing much today, and go and say hello to him. I'm actually really quite happy and grateful for it, to be fair. Like, I've got a really good opportunity here to learn so much stuff from an amazing mechanic. Like, this guy races for some big teams and works as mechanics for some big teams, so I'm gonna have chance to literally be in someone like that shadow and learn about my own car and learn things. It's literally something which money cannot buy. So yes, I'm gonna be spending a bit of money getting it done. The opportunity that it's arose is way worth the money. So I'm actually quite excited to get started. I think it's going to be a really good learning curve, and Dave's a great guy as well. I think we're going to have a load of fun and I'm going to learn so much stuff. So I'm grateful that I can do this, and it's so much more content for you guys as well, and it's some unseen content as well. So I think I'm quite happy. I am actually quite happy. Weirdly, I should be crying my fucking eyes out to be emos across fucking. No, it's not. It's got one little bit of rust on the diff, the subframe for the diff. But whatever. YOLO, more content, more knowledge. At the end of the day, guys, you can always get money back, but you can never get back missed opportunities. So this is a good opportunity that I may never get. So I want to leave some money for it, definitely.